Some useful books for spoken English. One can learn spoken English from any English book. Learning is not confined to English grammar books alone. One can learn spoken English from any good English book one finds. It could be a simple comic book, magazine, journal, novel, or even a cookery book. One can read any book, which is in English, to learn new words, sentence framing, grammar, etc. For those who intend to learn grammar and other aspects of English, it is good to follow English literature. Many books are comprehensive and at the same time, are practically oriented to help one to understand the basic concepts of the English language. Word Power Made Easy, Norman Lewis. This book is for everyone who wants to learn the English language. It caters to all the language learning requirements and has concepts from all language skills. It also gives many practical examples and solved practice papers to make the learning impactful. Usage and Abusage, A Guide to Good English, Eric Partridge. This book is a right pick that gives clarity on choosing the right words, participles and conjunctions in the conversations. Spoken English, Alison Reed. This book exclusively focuses on verbal communication. It will help learners to choose the right words and say confidently. Cambridge Grammar of English. It is a comprehensive guide on spoken and written English communication skills. It focuses on the two main aspects of communication and has many practical examples to understand the concepts better. The Effortless English Club. This book mainly focuses on improving speaking English. It is available on the internet for free. So, one can download this book PDF and store it for future reference. Spoken English Learn Quickly. This is a book with an exciting style of material which makes learning English quickly. It is a downloadable self-study student course and is also used by many universities and professionals. These are some of the best spoken English books available by the bestseller. These books can help in improving the fluency of English vocabulary. This is one secret to working on the practical aspect of communicating in the English language. One can learn concepts from different English books, but one should also practice it in daily conversations to improve spoken English and make learning productive.